Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. Friends, today's video is part 14 of Thermodynamics Chemistry class 11. In this part, we are going to understand the standard enthalpy of combustion. So before starting this discussion, let me explain you what is combustion. Combustion reactions are the reactions in which the substance react with oxygen and gives carbon dioxide water with a great amount of energy. So it is in general terms is also called as burning reaction. We can say in general terms. Now after understanding the combustion, come up to standard enthalpy of combustion. Now it is defined as enthalpy change per mole of substance when it undergoes combustion and all the reactants and the products being in their standard state at the specified temperature. So what they are trying to say, standard enthalpy of combustion, suppose we have a substance which should be only 1 mole first of all, and it reacts with oxygen, means combustion reaction will be there, and all the reactants and the products should be taken in the standard state. Let's have an example to understand better. Here it's C4H10 means butane. Butane in the standard form, it is a gas. First thing, and we can say it is 1 mole. Nothing written, it means 1. So 1 mole of butane reacts with oxygen gas. Oxygen in the standard form, it is a gas. Reacts with oxygen, it means combustion started. Now it gives carbon dioxide gas and water as a liquid. So carbon dioxide standard state is gas and water standard state is a liquid state. So friend, now this reaction fulfill the criteria of the combustion reaction, standard enthalpy of combustion reaction. 1 mole of substance undergoes combustion and all the reactants and the products are in their standard state. Now in that case the enthalpy change is called standard enthalpy of combustion. So now here the enthalpy change is given minus 2658 kilojoule per mole. Now here we can see it is negative. Negative means what? Negative means the reaction is exothermic. Simply, minus means the energy is coming out. So it's a exothermic reaction, and also in general terms we understand that combustion means burning and burning gives a lot of energy. Now same one more example which is our very day-to-day thing. It is combustion of glucose. Glucose is C6H12O6 in the gaseous state, which is standard state, and we have seen, can you see, it's a 1 mole of glucose. It reacts with oxygen gas, standard state. It gives carbon dioxide gas and water as a liquid. So this is a combustion reaction. Where this reaction we heard? Remember, this is a reaction that combustion of glucose, or we can say breakdown of glucose inside our body. So it gives, when glucose break down with the help of oxygen, it gives immense amount of energy which is used by our body for the day-to-day function. Now so again we can see that standard enthalpy of combustion is minus 2802 kilojoule per mole. Minus means exothermic. Means this reaction gives a great amount of energy which we can use in whatever we want to do in our own way. So friends, that's all for today in this video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Until then, thank you.